Hi viewers, welcome to Feel Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what you don't know about this person. Okay, that person can be anyone. Okay, you can watch this reading for anyone whom you think that this person is keeping some secrets. Let me find out what I don't know. Then you can watch it. Okay. So it is a pick a pile reading. You need to choose one pile, but as I said, it is about someone. So if at all you have multiple people, you want to know about multiple people, then you can watch multiple piles, but choose one pile for one person. Okay, don't watch multiple piles for one person. And when you are watching multiple piles, take some break between the piles so that the energies can be cleared. Don't watch continuously like a movie. Okay, take breaks like a serial. They will give breaks in the serial. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose red pile. What you don't know about this person, whomever you are watching for, what they are hiding, or at least not telling, not showing. Lot of obsession. So pile number 1, here the zodiac signs are Devil, Capricorn, Knight of Cups, Libra, Scorpio, 8 of Cups, Pisces. So here, what you don't know about this person is, I think you already walked away from this person or they walked away from you. Okay, you both are not in a connection now. Whomever you are watching, you are not dealing with each other. They walked away or you walked away. Take the messages as it resonates, because here 8 of Cups is there. You may be walked away from this person, and what you don't know about this person is, whomever you choose in this pile, they may be presented you themselves with the Knight of Cups, like they have love for you, they hold that love for you. Okay, it is not that they don't have love, but when they are showing it, it is as simple as it is like night energy. They are not stable, they hold just love, nothing more than that. They want to give that keep, at least they are not offering a cup of love. You may be expecting their cup of love, but still they are like holding that cup, and they are like, whether I need to give this person, whether I need to offer this cup to this person or not, whether I want to wait for someone else. They presented themselves like this to you. Maybe that is also one reason you finally fed up and thought that this idiot is not going to offer that cup of love. Let me move on from this person. So you moved on. Okay, 8 of Cups. You left the situation. You don't want to deal with this person. Anything, any reason. The reasons you know better than me. Okay. So what you don't know is, as of now also, they are with cup. They may be showing like, no, I am going to offer that cup of love to you. I have a lot of love for you. So please, it is not like it is. I want to offer that cup of love. But the thing is, they not just hold love for you. They hold a lot of obsession for you. The devil, obsession. They are addicted to you. They are completely have that addiction. You became their addiction. You walked away. You are no more in their life. But still, this person hold that cup for you. They have a lot of feelings for you. They want to this cup to you only. They don't want to give this cup to anyone, because they know that you are the only person who is right for that cup. Or at least this person is a person who don't show that emotions to anyone, or they don't share emotion to anyone, because they don't trust people, or at least they think that whomever they are going to share their cup of love, they should deserve that love. They should deserve that cup. So when they meet you, maybe when they met you, they know that you deserve that cup, or you are the right person to offer that cup of love. But this person took more time than what you may be expected. Maybe they kept you in the waiting mode without offering their cup of love. Because it is Knight of Cups is like here, the energy here, and it is like, maybe this person also confused a little bit, because they hold a lot of obsession. It may be sexual obsession, as simple as it may be addicted to you. So that is also one reason why this person don't want to offer that cup of love to you immediately, because first this person want to understand whether it is a love, whether it is a passion, just a sexual desire. Maybe that is also one reason this person hesitated to offer that cup of love to you, even though they know that in the first instinct, when they saw you, when they met you, they know that you are the right person. for that cup. You are, it may be like you are their wish fulfillment, because 8 of cups, Knight of cups, 1 cup is nothing but 9 cups, which is like wish fulfillment. But the thing is, this person maybe got little bit of confused, because they not just felt love for you, it is lot of obsession. They felt lot of, even now also I think this person completely obsessed. They hold that obsession for you. Maybe they are not showing it. They are presenting themselves like a Knight of Cups, but they hold lot of obsession for you. Like sexually they may be desiring you, and that is also one reason they hold lot of passion. Red card. Maybe that is also one reason when they want to offer that cup of love, they are in a confusion whether it is a love or whether it is just sexual desire. They want to first clarify it, because this person itself, themselves, the nature is like choosy, very picky personality. They won't simply go and offer the cup of love to anyone. They are very picky personality. So that is also one reason. They understood that the moment they met you, they understood that you are the right person for that cup. That is also one reason why they still hold that cup for you. But in the between, this passion came out, like sexual desire, lot of sexual desire. Maybe this person never felt that kind of feelings for anyone, and when they felt for you, it became little bit of doubtful to them. At least it is like, how come they are feeling this much of obsession towards you? How come they are feeling this much sexual desires for you? Because their nature itself is like Knight of Cups. They may be very young, energetic, very attractive person. So they may be surrounded by a lot of people who want to offer their cup of love, who ready to take their cup of love, this person's cup of love, who may be desiring for this person's cup of love. But this person is not offering that cup to anyone, because they are very picky. They don't offer to anyone. They maybe saw so many people around them and they thought that no one is no one deserves my cup of love. So that is also one reason they did not offer that cup to anyone. But when they meet you, they understood you are the right person. But they get into the confusion when they caught up that sexual desires for you, or they completely became obsessive to you. Because of that confusion, they may be step back, still thinking mode kind of. It is not that they don't want to give, still they are offering hold that cup for you, but this sexual passion came in between you both. That is also one reason this person took time more than what they can. And here you may be frustrated and you walked out, because you may be thought that this person is not going to offer. It is a waste of time. waste of situation. The situation itself not going to get anything out of this situation, because 8 of Cups is nothing but walking away from something which is not serving you. Because this person not offering cup, you may be expecting, and this person not offering, and you thought that it is a waste of time to still stuck in that situation. So you may be moved on from that situation. Now this person still hold that cup, as well as still hold that obsession for you. You moved on, they not moved on. They still holding that feelings, obsession, same as they hold when you are dealing with them. Okay, it's same love, same obsession, same thing is continuing. Here nothing is changed for them. Maybe you moved on. Now you are watching this, maybe you are single, or still you may be dealing with someone else. But here, if at all you are watching that whether this person is still into you or not, they are absolutely into you. They did not offer that cup to anyone, because they think, at least they felt that you are the right person, and this person is very choosy. They won't offer that cup to anyone like that, even though they maybe have a lot of people around them, because they want that eligibility to offer that cup of love. But they hold passion also. It is not just passion, it is one obsession. They are completely obsessive towards you or your energy or your love. They are completely obsessive. Now also they are desiring. There is a lot of obsession. They may be not showing it to you. So let's move on to pile number 2, who choose blue pile. So what you don't know about this person? Definitely you don't know, because it is a moon card. They are very secretive, or they are going through something which you cannot understand, because 7 of Cups, completely spiritual card. 4 of Swords, healing from something. are praying, prayers, healing, taking rest. So this person is completely on the spiritual journey. So here the zodiac signs are the Moon card Pisces, 7 of Cups Scorpio, 4 of Swords Libra. What you don't know about that? I cannot tell complete things, because here this person hiding their feelings, completely secretive about their feelings. They are not showing anything. Moon card, completely hidden card, secrets. They are holding a lot of secrets. About what? I don't know. You better know what relationship you are having this person, because you are watching for someone. That someone can be anyone, your partner, your friend, your spouse, or your lover, your sibling, your co-worker. So take the messages as it resonates. But this person, maybe that person themselves is a very secretive person, or some kind of, here I'm not seeing complete psyche, but they are going through some kind of spiritual journey, because Moon card is completely secretive, because spiritual journey also secretive journey. We don't know what will come next. It is like an adventurous journey. Even that person don't know. Then how come they are going to tell you? And if at all they are going through something in their mind, they don't know how to express it. They don't know how to put into words what they are going through. That is also one reason it is completely secretive, because they are not in a position to understand what is happening with them. And 7 of Cups. Either they may be dealing with a lot of choices in their life. This may be hidden from you, or this may be they are not telling. You don't know about them. You may be thinking that this person is completely single, or completely not dealing with any options. Maybe at least they dealt with the options. Okay? Or if at all it is a spiritual journey, they are on the journey. Because in the spiritual journey also, when person is going through some kind of spiritual journey, it happen in between. They will presented by a lot of options to distract them from the journey, that spiritual path. So here maybe something spiritual thing is going on with this person. If at all they are not meeting you, they are not talking to you, if at all you think that this person is hiding some things from you, it is not that they are wantedly hiding. It is simply they are on the path of spiritual journey where they cannot express what is happening, or where they are going, what they are doing, because for them also it is like an adventurous journey. Simply they can tell that I am on spiritual path, or simply they can tell that something I am interested in spirituality nowadays. No, I am showing a lot of interest towards spirituality. That's it. More than that, they cannot tell anything what exactly is happening, because even for them it is hidden. That's why I say. And moreover, I think whatever path they may be, it is secretive. They should not reveal to anyone, because Moon card, maybe it is from the universe. They should not reveal to anyone. That is also one reason we keep that Moon card. But here they are healing. Whatever journey they may be, whatever spiritual path they may be going on, they are healing. It is for their healing, or it is for their highest good. If at all they hold any kind of traumas, if at all they hold any kind of fears, anxieties, whatever it may be, pains, past relationship pains, past friendship pains, past failures, past life. It means not past life, it is like till now, whatever their age may be, whatever happened till now from their childhood, whatever pains, hurts, even including sometimes health issues, they are healing from it. This journey is helping them to heal from it. They are simply either resting mode. That is also one reason they are isolating themselves, or they are taking rest. They are not meeting people. They are not going out. They are not meeting. Maybe they are spending a lot of time in praying to the God, taking rest, spending time alone, not dealing with anyone, thinking about spiritual things, or watching some spiritual stuff. As simple as watching tarots, and finding about things, because for them also it is hidden. What is happening? What next? Maybe they are getting some kind of dreams, downloads through dreams, downloads through some kind of science, music, something. It is completely journey itself is a, it is not secretive hidden thing, but it is like new thing, adventurous thing. So first we don't know what it is. So how can we tell someone that this is what it is? First we need to know. And here this person themselves don't know what they are going through. but only one thing is, it is some kind of spiritual journey, and that journey is helping them to heal from some traumas or from some past pains, from some health issues. Health issues will be there. Most of the people don't know, only spiritual people have idea about that. When we get some kind of health issues, which is not, it is like ailment which is we are carrying from so long, it is not curing no matter what medicine you are taking. It is connected to our spirituality. When something is not healed, some trauma bonds, something trauma which is carrying from your childhood, which is your soul is carrying, not just your physical body, which is your soul carrying, until unless you won't heal that, your physical pain also won't go. The moment you heal that soul, then the whatever physical pain you may be going through, that will be clear. You will get shocked. How come it got clear? Because I took a lot of medicine, still it did not. But now I did not done anything, but still it went go off. Because whatever inside that soul, your soul got hurted some way, or your soul got some kind of carrying some kind of trauma from your past lives, those will create that physical pains. That is how, by healing your soul, physical level also, if at all you carry some kind of pains, that will also you can heal. That's why when we got this Four of Swords, it can be anything. Healing from the traumas or healing from your physical pains. So here mostly, whatever they may be having some kind of health issues, some kind of, as I said, traumas and all, they are healing from everything. This journey is helping them. This spiritual path is helping them. So what you don't know about this person is completely going through some kind of spiritual journey. They need some time to come out and have fun with people, because they need to go through this. Maybe it is a time for them to deal with all those things, fix that shit, start some new life in their start new life. So that is also one reason this person is completely, maybe they are completely depends on their intuition as of now. They are not listening to anyone, they are not trusting anyone, they are completely trusting their intuition. And even though they have a lot of things, sometimes it is like a confusion thing. Even spirituality also like confusion thing, what to believe, what not to believe, whom should not believe, because the journey is a very new journey, new thing, adventurous thing. Everything will be new. So I don't think this person is hiding something from you. If at all you think that this person hiding, they are not sharing anything with you, they are not hiding. It is simply they are in some spiritual journey. So they need to deal with it. They cannot express, or they cannot share these things to everyone. That is also one reason. If at all you are not in contact with this person and you are worrying what happened to this person, why they are not coming into the contact, then this person is healing. They are taking rest. They need that rest. Okay, they are healing from something, they need that rest. That is also one reason this person completely isolated themselves. As of now, they are not in a position to come out and contact with other people, because a lot of things are going on within them. It is completely mind related. So in that moment they cannot come and have fun and all. That is also one reason this person not meeting much people. Maybe they are just dealing routine, or simply they are taking break from everything. So let's move on to pile number 3. Who choose yellow pile? What you don't know about this person. So here the zodiac signs are the Empress, Taurus, Libra, Four of Wands, Aries, Ace of Pentacles, any earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So here what you don't know about this person is getting married. Now don't get shocked if at all you are in love with this person and you are waiting for this person, okay? Because this person is getting married. Maybe they already selected someone as their partner, or it is going to happen suddenly. Because here they know that they may be wishing for some kind of new beginning. Ace of Pentacles, something new beginning is happening in their life, and that new beginning is nothing but becoming Empress to someone. It is like wife becoming wife to someone, because Four of Wands. they are entering into relationship, one stable, grounded, it is partnership, passionate connection. And it is not just passionate. Ace of Pentacle is there, means stability also is there, materialistical stability also is there. Maybe if at all this person is a single person and you may be waiting for this person, or at least if at all this person as a friend you are watching, and this person may be waiting for marriage, this person getting into that connection. What you don't know is maybe they already have one partner, or at least they are getting married, they are looking for partners, they may be not sharing with you, they are not discussing that they are looking for the marriage. So this is what you need to, you don't know about this person, that is what, they are becoming someone's empress. Don't get triggered if at all you are interested in this person. Maybe that someone is you, I cannot say, okay. But here empress, they are becoming someone's empress. Four of Wands, complete relationship, which is like it can be their soulmate, mirroring soul, or their twin flame who is equal to them, who is that's why it is like the empress. Maybe this person is empress, they are getting their emperor in their life, because Four of Wands, there is no low vibration, it is completely like equal vibration. So this person is empress means the other partner is emperor. Now you think, if it is you are an emperor, then you are going to get married with this person, okay. If at all you are not an emperor, so please forget about it, okay, because they are getting married with emperor, they are coming into the connection with emperor, they are going to get into the strong long term stable connection, because Pentacle also came out. It is not just passion. Four of Wands is passionate connection, which is like a living in kind of, also we can take it as a living in. But here we got this Ace of Pentacle also, and here the Empress. So there is no chance of living in. It is like completely becoming someone's wife, where they can tell that people, she's mine now, she's my wife, that kind of thing. So why I am telling is, you won't be having any choice. Okay, if at all you are not an emperor, because their emperor is going to come and tell that she is my empress. Don't get triggered, okay, other people will be there, okay. If at all you are in love with this person, let them be, because they are going to meet their right match, because Four of Wands, equal match. So that, and moreover they are getting that stability. Maybe you don't know how long this person may be looking for that kind of stable relationship, because Ace of Pentacle, they may be waiting for that kind of stable new beginning in their life, where they can be in the partnership, where they can get that love, that passion, equal love, equal passion, and as well as when it comes to materialistically also, they want that stability, that harmony in that connection. Finally their desires are coming true, or their desires are fulfilling. Maybe they are wishing to have this kind of life, so finally it is going to fulfill. I don't think here they are hiding it. You don't know, maybe this person not in a contact with you, that is also one reason this person may be not sharing. If at all you are in a contact, they are going to give you that wedding card, they are going to invite you. Depends on your connection, depends on your relationship, okay, because it is not a hidden thing, because here the empress, marriage, wedding. So if at all in our friend circle someone is going to get married, we will know that. Either one or other friend will come and tell that, do you know, they are getting it in marriage. I mean, immediately, like, who is that idiot? Who is going to get that? Who is going to marry that idiot? I will ask, because I know weird friends. I have weird friends. So I will wonder, and when I listen, they are getting finally into marriage, I will wonder. First thing I ask is, who is that idiot? So here, finally, this Empress is getting emperor, their emperor. Good life. They are going to have one stable, committed connection. That wife position, maybe they are looking for that wife position. So they are going to get it. Now it's completely depends on whom you are watching. Okay, if at all you are a good friend, then be happy for that person, because it is not a hidden thing. They are not hiding. It is maybe they want to give invitation. If at all you are a lover and watching, so please, it is like, don't do any shady shit, because I don't think you are going to do it, because you are a confident person, I think. Yellow color. solar plexus is activated, at least very active, sportive person. You are going to take it in a sportive way. If at all you are expecting something from this person in a relationship, you are going to take it as a sportive way. Okay, so this is what they are going to get: some new life, new connection, new life, new beginnings. After marriage, definitely everything will be new. You want it or not, everything will be like a new. So that is what. So let's move on to pile number 4, who choose green pile. So Emperor came just now. Empress. We completed the reading of Empress. Someone is becoming Empress. Now Emperor came out. So here the zodiac signs are the Emperor: Aries, 5 of Cups, Scorpio, Ace of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So what you don't know about this person? This person is very sad. They are crying about something which is not existed in their life. It may be their past, something they lost in their life which is very near to their heart. That can be relationship, that can be friendships, that can be desirable job which they are emotionally connected, something which is emotionally connected. They lost it, but they don't need to worry, because life itself is a gaining losing game of gain and loss. But here this person may be still dwelling into that past and crying over those things, even though they have love in their life. They need to just turn their face so that they can find that love. 2 of Cups. But this person don't want to do that. And here Emperor came out. What is the relationship with this Emperor? This person may be in the world, to the world they may be presenting like an emperor, but here people don't know the truth. Maybe it is like Ace of Swords is truth. At least you don't know about the truth, that this person is having some kind of negative mindset, or they are going through something where they are very much sad about something, because they are not presenting themselves as a sad. They are presenting like, I am an emperor, I am in my power and everything is going fine. It is truth card, Ace of Swords. Maybe what you don't know about this person, this truth need to come out, because it is still you don't know, means you don't know the truth. You don't know the truth about the situation or about this person, that this person, even though to the world they are presenting like an emperor, very balanced, well balanced person, like everything is under their control, because emperor itself is in a power person who is in a power, who have everything under their control, who can handle anyone, who can take all the situations into their control. Good energy. It is like a boss kind of energy, or at least the father figure, the husband, who have that control power in their hands. But the truth, what you don't know, maybe this person is, see, it is not that hiding. When you are in a position of some authoritative position, no matter what is happening, we are even going through hell also, we cannot show to the people, because the position, the power, whatever we are, it will stop us to show our true self to the world. Very rare people will do that. As simple as so many celebrities go through mental health issues, but they never express it, because they feel that people will label them some way or other way. Very few people who have a lot of courage, only those people will come out and tell that, yes, I am going through some kind of depression, yes, I am going through some kind of anxiety, yes, I am going through some kind of mental health issues. Very few people, not all the people. And we know that most of the people who are in a position, or in that celebrity kind of some kind of authoritative position, they deal with lot of stress. a lot of mental health issues, but they won't tell. Maybe here in this situation also this person is going through some kind of, here I'm not saying mental health issues, some sadness is happening in their life, but still this person not showing that to the people, or at least to you. They are hiding this. It is not wantedly they are hiding, as I said. They are not hiding it wantedly. They don't want to hide it wanted. It is simply because of their emperor position. They are in a power. So it is very important for them to what to show, what should not show. What to present to the world, what should not present. It is very important when you are in a power. So maybe that is also one reason. So what you don't know about this person, to the external world maybe they are looking everything fine, but internally they are going through dealing with some kind of sadness. They lost something. They have some, it is some way it is like a depression, because 5 of cups represent depression, swords represent anxiety, stress, cups represent sadness, depression. Maybe this person going through depression. That's what I said. If at all this person emperor, if at all this person is authoritative figure, they may be holding some kind of higher position in the society. What you don't know about this person is they are dealing with lot of depression, but they are not talking about it. Ace of Swords, the truth don't know about him, especially you, whomever watching, you don't know about this truth. This person have depression issues. They may be, see, it won't come immediately. Maybe they are dealing with that kind of mental health issue. Depression is also one kind of mental health issue. People will get into depression easily. They need to take some kind of medical help or some kind of activities. Like they need to change their lifestyle. It is like activities. They need to do some activities day-to-day life to come out of this depression, anxiety, that stress, sleeplessness. We need to change our lifestyle so that no matter what position you may be, you can handle it. It won't bother you. But I think this person, maybe they need some kind of help. You don't know that. But here I don't think this person wantedly hiding. Simply their position, because of their power, because of their position, they are unable to express it. But here they have love. Maybe it is you, because you are 2 of cups. Maybe you are offering that cup of love, or at least in their life they have love. It is not that they don't have love. That's why I said it is like a depression. When people are dealing with this kind of mental health issues, even though they are surrounded by a lot of love, care, they don't understand all those things, because they are in their own world. That pessimistic world, or that negativity, that depression, that is nothing but depression, which is like always think about the past things instead of living in the present. This person can live in the present. Just by turning their head, they will get this 2 of cups. Their life will be completely with lot of love, lot of intimacy, lot of understanding, lot of equal give and take. But this person unable to do that. That is why I said maybe this person is dealing that health issue from very long. They need some kind of help, or from medical help, or at least some kind of counseling kind of things, so that they can come out of it, so that they can see the good things in their life which is presented. Maybe that thing you don't know, because Ace of Swords, that truth they are hiding, or they don't want to tell you, or they want to lie to you. It is simply because of their position they cannot share this thing to you. That's what I said initially. Some people will come out and they will express when they are going through depression. They will tell that, yes, I am going through depression, I am under medical treatment. But some people, most of the people, not just some people, only 2 to 3% people share that. Other percentage they will hide completely, because they have a fear of labels. That's what. Okay, so here what you don't know about this person, they have depression issues. Very, very bad depression. Why I am telling very bad is, there are cups. It is not that they lost something, they don't have anything, that's why they are crying. Still there is love in their life. But still this person don't know how to concentrate on that love, or how to turn their mind to the positivity. there will be people like me. There is lot of negative things, but still I concentrate on positive. That is my blessing, I can say. Sometimes I feel like a blessing. There is lot of stuff is happening. There is complete negativity. Whoever around me, everyone tells that negative, negative, negative. Everything is negative, but still I can see the good. I can see the positivity in that negative situation. That is a blessing, one kind of blessing. Maybe this person have one kind of curse where there is so much happiness, but still they can find out that one negative thing to be sad. That is like a curse. And it is completely truth, but it is you don't know about that truth. Maybe this person have dealing with depression issues. If at all you can help him, help them, help him. Okay, if you are in a position to help that person. Okay, so let's move on to pile number 5. Who chose white pile? So pile number 5, what you don't know about this person? So here the zodiac signs are the world card: Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, 9 of Pentacles, Virgo, 5 of Wands. Who is 5 of Wands? Leo again. So what you don't know about this person? What you don't know about this person? This person is completely single person. If at all you have any kind of doubt that this person is entered into any kind of relationship, no, don't keep such kind of doubts. This person is completely single, ready to mingle. Because world card, they are free. They are like a free bird. They are ready to explore the things. Maybe this person ended some kind of relationship in their life or some cycle in their life. Whatever cycle it can be. It can be relationship, it can be a job, career related. Because as of now, this person is completely single and they are enjoying their life with lot of abundance, lot of blessings in their life, I can say. And they are looking very good, attractive. And the people are fighting for them, people are competing for them, at least their energy. They want to be in the relationship with this person because everyone seeing you like they are very much free, attractive. And whatever past they may be had, they ended it. They ended that cycle. That is also one reason this person as of now currently they are not carrying any kind of burdens. No relationships, no responsibilities, nothing. They are completely free, single, abundant, taking care of themselves. Whatever time they have, they are completely investing that time on themselves. They are looking good, they are eating good, they are doing good in their life. They may be enjoying their life in their own way, not even looking for friends to have fun and all. They are simply spending their own time in their own way. And they don't have any kind of worries because materialistically, especially when it comes to materialistically, they are free from all the stress. They can pay their bills. They don't have any worries about bills and all. That's why I said maybe even though if at all this person ended their career also in their life, they don't have any issues because they are completely abundant financially. If they ended any kind of relationship, still financially they are very abundant. They are very much single here, completely independent and singleness. That is also one reason people know that this person is completely single, abundant, good looking, attractive, free spirited, free minded person, because world card is like a free spirited person, young, energetic person. That is also one reason 5 of Wands. People are competing for them. I want this person. No, I want this person. I will try. I will get this person. That energy. Anyway, that person is not giving F to them. This person not caring about anything. This person not caring that who is fighting for them, who is interested in them, who want them, who don't want them. They are completely in their own world. That's what I said. They are just whatever time they maybe have in their life, completely investing in themselves. They are not giving the time, that attention, that love, that care, that even that whatever abundance they have, they are not sharing with anyone. They are completely investing in themselves. That is also one reason that attraction, that energy is attracting so many people towards them. People are fighting for them. people competing for them. There are competition, I can say. I am going to win this person, I am going to win. But here this person is not, if at all you don't know, if at all you are thinking, even you are also interested and you are thinking that whether this person may already end up with someone, whether this person you already selected someone, then no, this person is completely single. They did not end up with anyone, they are still single, they are enjoying their singlehood. They are completely enjoying their singlehood, enjoying their abundance, enjoying their beauty. It is like loving themselves, taking care of themselves. It is not Queen of Cups energy. It is completely, because Queen of Cups can be sometimes having some kind of dependence, responsibility like family and all. But here this person don't have anything. Nine of Pentacles, completely single. And that is also one reason. Maybe people around them also know that this person is single person. That is also one reason, competition. Because or else if at all it is married, people won't compete. It is already someone else's property. Why should we take? Why should we waste our time? But here, I think people know that this person is a single person. Maybe you are also interested. Maybe that is also one reason you are looking. You are watching this reading to know whether they end up or not in any connection. So this person is completely single. I think as of now this person not looking for any kind of relationships also, because that is also one reason. Even though this person is completely abundance, looking good, they're not showing any kind of interest in it is like their energy is like self-centered energy as of now. Okay, it is not in a selfish way. As of now they are carrying like self-centered energy. They are completely concentrating. That's why I said it is investing in themselves. They are not investing in anyone or anything. They are simply investing in themselves. So self-centered energy, but in a good way. Okay, it is not in a selfish way. It is in a good way. Because maybe they may be waiting for this kind of period in their life and finally they achieved it. That is also one reason. Because Nine of Pentacles it is. It is like one kind of stability. One kind of, at least in the financial sense, in the sense of financial stability, in the sense of some kind of materialistic stability. Maybe this person is waiting and finally they got it. So obviously when you're waiting for something and you finally got it, you need to enjoy it. If at all you are not enjoying, then what is the use of desiring for that thing? So finally this person got it, that's why they are enjoying. And this person is very much ready, near to the Ten of Pentacles. So obviously they will enjoy. Obviously they want to put that efforts, they want to invest in themselves. They don't want to give that energy to anyone. As simple as, okay? Because if it is a tarot readings, we know spiritually we will share energies. So this person as of now self-centered. They don't want to share their energy to anyone. Because when we share our energy, obviously we will, whatever it may be. It is not just in the sense of abundance. If at all someone is going through some kind of bad karma, and if you share energy with that person, you are going to attract that bad karma in your life. In the same way, when someone is abundant, they share energy with you, you are going to attract this abundance in your life. Same way. So this person as of now, they are not selfish. Here I am not getting selfish energy. It is like cycle is ended. Maybe this person did a lot of hard work. That cycle may be very hard work cycle. They may be kept a lot of hard work in that cycle. They may be dealt with a lot of people who are tough for them, who are not good for them, or at least it is like who may be dependent on them, who may be expecting something from them, who did not give any kind of freedom to them. So some kind of cycle which they ended. Now they are enjoying everything which they did not had in this cycle. So that is also one reason this person, as of now, their energy is like self-centered energy. They don't want to share this energy to anyone, just because they want to spend time with themselves. They want to enjoy it first. They want to enjoy that singlehood. After that, they maybe show interest to get into the Ten of Pentacles, because this person is very much near to the Ten of Pentacles. That beautiful, stable connection, grounded connection. So here, maybe if at all you don't know that people are not desiring them, it is a trigger for you. There are so many people, okay? There are so many people competing for them. But the thing is, this person not giving F to them. They are completely in their own world. They are not giving any interest to anything. Whether people are, even this person not doing anything to attract some people, attract others. They're simply in their energy, and because of that energy, people are getting attracted towards them. That is also one reason this competition card, competing. People are competing for their energy. They are not doing anything specifically to attract people, to get into the relationships. They are simply in their own energy. That's why we say, when you love yourself, everything will fall into the place. That's what they are doing. They are keeping energy to themselves. They are taking care of themselves. They are loving themselves. They are giving that abundant life to themselves. Obviously, everything will fall into that place, and their energy will be in a different way. Maybe that is also one reason you may be attracting towards that person. Good energy. They are in a good energy. Okay, if at all you don't know, they are very good and abundant energy. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You'll find the details in the description box.